there, April of Yes to Next here. You don't need fancy equipment to get a great workout. We're going to use a tool we all have, the wall, to get a full body workout in 5 moves. All right, so we'll take a quick pause here and get started. Okay, let's just warm up a little bit, get our muscles and joints ready to move, and also to get our blood flowing, okay? Doing warm-ups are very important to prevent injury, okay? So you get ready to exercise, okay? Do some nice little reaches. Reach, good. Very nice. Good work. And across the body. Nice work. Okay, good work. Give me some nice little shoulder rolls back for 4, 3, good. 2, and 1, and forward. 1, good. 2, nice. 3, and 4, and rest. Okay, so our first move is going to be just a single arm up on the wall. A lot of us have a lot of tightness here in our lats. Getting our arm above the head is often challenging. So I want you to stand to the side of the wall, and I just want you to put your arm up on the hand on the wall, wherever that is. You may be here, but I want you to try to aim to have it like parallel, to your ears. Okay, that's the goal. If you're here, that's good. But I want you to do 10 from here. This is 10, and let's go slowly. 9, breathe. Give me nice posture too. 8, breathe. This is 7, very nice. And 6, breathe. 5, right, feeling this in your shoulder. This is 4, also stretching out this lat. 3, good. 2, breathe. And 1, and rest. Okay, very nice. We'll take a pause here and do it on the other side. Okay, so feet hip distance apart, about 6 inches from the wall. Okay, arm up, 1, and down. And 2, touch the wall. Good, breathe. This is 3. And 4. They feel that shoulder open up, these lats. 5, very nice. This is 6, good. And 7, yes. This is 8, breathe. 9, and just 1 more, and 10. Nice job. Okay, so our next move is going to be a wall push-up. All right, so you want to stand in front of the wall, feet hip distance apart, arms length from the wall, okay? And your arms are about shoulder width apart. So you're gonna engage your core, tighten up your core here, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna lower yourself down and up, okay? And elbows are meeting the wall here and up. Okay, so let's go for 10 from here. Here we go. This is 10. 9, keep your core tight. 8, breathe out as you push up. 7, breathe out. 6, very good. 5, this is 4, good. And 3, keep everything tight. Head, neck, spine in alignment. 2, and 1, and very good. You probably felt that in your arms and your shoulders, so nice job. Okay, so our next exercise is called a core turn. So let me show this to you. All right, so we're standing about 1 foot from the wall, okay? And we're putting our elbows on the wall, all in alignment with our shoulders, okay? All right, and you want everything to be tight. Head, neck, spine, all in alignment. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna open up, just like goalpost arms, and then come back down. Then you're gonna open up to the other side, okay? That's the move. We're really gonna engage this core as we do this move. So let's do 10 on each side. Here we go. This is 1, breathe. And 1, keep everything tight. 2, breathe. And 2. This is 3. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this in my obliques. This is 3. And 4. 4. Good. 5. and 5. Your spine is just tall, not moving. 6 and 6. Open it up. 7 and 7. Very nice. This is 8. Keep going. 8. 2 more sets. 9. Good. And 9. And 1 more set. 10. Nice job. And 10. And rest. Nice work. You probably felt that in your core. All right. Take a quick pause and move on to our next exercise. So our next exercise is what I call butt touch. All right, so you're gonna be around, let's see, this is up to you. So the closer you get to the wall, the easier the butt touch is, okay? So you can be like, maybe start out, 4 inches from the wall. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand tall, feet hip distance apart, and you're gonna just push your butt back and touch the wall, come up, okay? It's like a mini squat, basically what's going on, but the wall kind of gives you just sort of a indicator of how deep you can go. Now, as you get stronger, you can go deeper. And it actually teaches you how to do a squat really well with good form, okay? So let's try 10 from here. And you be as far from the wall as you want. I want you to feel comfortable with the move first, okay? So let's try 10, okay? And again, farther away you are, the more challenging it is. Deeper to squat. Okay, so here we go. Just go. 1, breathe. 2, breathe. This is 3 and 4. Good. This is 5. Keep going. 6. Very nice. 7. Touch the wall. 8. Very nice. 9. 1 more. And 10. Ooh. Yes, you probably felt that in your legs. Good job. Okay, so our last move is really going to strengthen the lower body, legs, help you with walking, and also help you with balance, strengthen those muscles, right? And it's going to be a wall sit. So this is what it looks like. So the closer you are to the wall, the easier it is. Okay, so you want to do that butt touch that we did again, that did previously. Put your back against the wall, and all we're going to do is just hold. We're sitting here against the wall. Now, the more parallel your legs are to the floor, the more challenging this move is, okay? All right, so we're gonna hold this for a count of 30, and you be where you are, wherever your level is, and just hold it, okay? Breathe, deep breath, okay? Very good. Those shoulders back and down, probably feeling this in your thighs. I know I certainly am. All right, very good. Keep on holding, breathe through it. Breathe through it, just another few more seconds here, another 5 more seconds. 4, it's good. 3, good. 2, and 1. Very nice. And gently come up. Put your hands on the wall. You can press up and step it back. All right. Nice work on these exercises. Let's just cool it down just a bit. Give me some nice heel touches with the arms up. Cool it off. Especially after that quad wall sit. I felt that. All right. Very nice. Some nice little side reaches. Side reach, good. Stretch it out. Stretch it out, good. And shoulder rolls back, nice. Good work. And forward. Nice work. If you want to do more cool down, check out our cool down video. And these exercises can be done at least twice a week. You can. It's strength training, so I want you to do at least two strength sessions a week. And you can tack this on to a yes and yes workout, whether it's cardio or strength. All right, so thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you real soon. In the meantime, keep moving.